down to my workshop. Oh, you guys can see I've been cleaning. Pretty much that's where I've been, you guys. I haven't been doing any SRT4 content because the fact that Jacob still has my neon. Just to give you like a little small update on it, I sent it back in the beginning of February. And it took about 2 days to get over there. He tore the interior and the exterior part for the front end. Since then, I've been getting small updates, but pretty much all I've been really doing is occupying myself on cleaning this workshop that I do my videos in. It's been just a cluster of parts. You guys can see behind me is just neon and caliber stuff. Yeah, I have my kayaks too, but those eventually will be out of here in the next week or two. But I still have caliber parts. I have fenders, alternator, I have thermostat manifold, radiator, front and rear rebuilt calipers. I have front and rear calipers that both need to be rebuilt. I have the neon carbon fiber trunk that I'm not going to be using. It actually does need to be repaired. So if you guys are interested, just go ahead and DM me through SkittleFab's Facebook or Instagram, and I can go ahead and send you pictures and talk to you about it and whatnot. But I'm not going to be shipping it, you guys. So this is a bunch of metal that I've just been thrown over here. I don't have any use for it. It's like stock springs from the neon. Just a bunch of neon stuff that I'm not going to be using in the engine bay. The caliber, battery tray. I got the caliber stock clutch right there. I have a bunch of parts that I'm just going to go ahead and throw away. I think those are bad axles, but I'm obviously not going to test them out because look at what they look like. They look disgusting. I'm not going to be dealing with those. I also cleaned over here. I don't have my light on right now. And you can see I have the caliber manifold all cleaned up as much as I possibly can. But this I also don't want to ship. Anything that's like heavy, I don't want to ship. I will ship certain things. I got the bumper still over here for the neon. That's going to go to the auto body shop. I got another box right here I want to show you guys, but just not today because it's not nice out. When it is nice, I'll bring that outside and I'll unbox it and show you guys what's inside there. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below, what you think is in that box right there. What I'm doing now is just grabbing some manifold studs. Alright, this guy Clayton wants black oxide manifold studs. He doesn't want the full kit, so I gotta figure out if I have an exhaust. If not, then I'm gonna exhaust, black oxide, there we go. I do a set of 10. Pretty much those are the black oxide studs right there. And these are the zinc flange nuts. That's the exhaust. There is a pack of 5 and 3 for the thermostat housing and 5 for the intake, the exhaust obviously. So that's a full kit. If you guys are interested in that, I can do stainless steel also, but it's a little bit more. From what I've heard, people like to use black oxide just like I did on my transmission stud conversion. I can always switch over to stainless steel if I ever want to in the future. If you guys buy a kit from me, you guys will receive a sticker of your choice, either the SkittleFabs or my other logo. So every time I make a logo, I pretty much make stickers. Dude wants one of these, so he's getting one of these. That is pretty much an update. Other than not telling you guys about my side skirts, I gotta clean these side skirts up because there's a bunch of plastic dip on there. I plasti dipped my neon back in like 2013 maybe. Yeah, probably 2013. I found out about dipyourcar.com and I wanted to plasti dip my neon. So there's a picture in the top right of the screen. That's what it looked like. I personally think it looked pretty sick. I've had a lot of different looks to my neon. Yeah, I'm gonna give you guys an update obviously as soon as possible, but if you guys are interested in any studs, either oil pan stud kit, only in stainless steel, TA50, intake, thermostat, exhaust, you know, all that. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below, what you guys think is in there. That'll be my next video. I'll go ahead and unbox that and show you guys because I really want to. It's been sitting over there for 6 years. No joke. I've only pulled them out. I'm giving too much info, so let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Subscribe if you're new to this channel. Hit that notification button so whenever I upload, you guys get that notification. But I'm waiting for Jacob to send me some pictures so I can upload my Instagram. There's a link in the description. Follow me, and until next time, guys, peace.